Let's continue with the hand-tie-in long meridian with the acupuncture point through the or Cubit Marsh, or this is long 5. Long 5 or the outside marsh or foot marsh or ghost hole or ghost endurance. It is the water point of the long meridian. It is also the sedation point and the hussy point of the long meridian. Cubit marsh refers to this point being 1 foot or cubit away from the first position of the pulse at the wrist. A marsh is a place of water and joyous fertile life. This point can bring malleability to an overly rigid mind and spirit, or reinforce perseverance. Good for patients who are bogged down, their grief overflowing and swamping their spirit. If there is agitation from immune deficiency, this point might be applicable to help restore calm and bring refreshment to a parched official. Agitation, even walking fast, doesn't suit the lung. Its strength lies in inner concentration. Outside marsh will bathe and restore calm to the receiver of chi. This point opens the water passages and thus benefits the bladder. The lungs are said to govern the regulation of the waterways, bearing water down to the bladder and kidney and keeping the bladder free of accumulations of water and problems with urination. The well-being of the lung and kidney are intimately related. They are said to be mutually engendering. The lungs govern chi and are the upper source of water, whereas the kidney is the root of the chi. On the Shang cycle, water is the child element of metal. This point regulates and tonifies the lung chi. It stimulates the descending of lung chi. It clears heat from the lungs, expels phlegm from the lungs, moistens dryness, relaxes the tendons of the arms, and dreams of metal objects in water are said to indicate this point. For its indications, it is for retention of phlegm in the lungs in combination with heat, that is yellow phlegm and thirst, or it is also for cold in white phlegm and chilliness. It is also indicated when yin on body fluids are deficient after fever, or there is dryness of the skin or throat. This point might be used. It's also for pain in the arm or elbow, especially if the arm cannot be raised. As the water point and one which regulates the water passages, lung 5 can be used to expel or dry out excessive phlegm or fluid or dampness in the lungs. Conversely, if there is too little water present, the patient may feel parched with a dry cough, bronchitis with which mucus, or for rigid in mind or spirit. It is helpful when the patient is depressed, weeping, or sorrowful. It dreams of metal objects within water can indicate the need for this point. Thank you for your attention.